Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your Shopify store order number. And this can be for the prefix or the suffix, right? So let's get right into this. Guys, if you're new, special welcome to Drew Tutorial. And if you're not, welcome back, guys. So how do we do this? Once you're inside Shopify, just simply go ahead and click on settings on the lower left hand side, and you want to go ahead and scroll down under the general tab. So you want to scroll down to a section where it basically shows order ID, and this allows you to basically change the prefix or the suffix. Here you can see some examples, right? Right now it's currently set to hashtag and it starts with a certain number. You can't really change the number, right? But you can change the suffix and the prefix. So if you don't want to use that, or you want to use that, you could basically have something like order number, and you can have Drew T, for example. I want it to be Drew Tutorial or something like that. You can put like your initial DT or whatever. It's really up to you. You can just go and do that, or you don't have to put even the hashtag. You could just have, for example, like DT, and it will basically have something like this. You can see how it actually changes. Right now, let's put back the hashtag there. Only for the suffix is pretty much the same. If you want to have, for example, the DL at the back, you could basically put that, or DT or whatever. You get the general idea. Once you make this change, all you really have to do is click and save at the top, and that's it. You change your order number ID, and so it will be showing up whenever someone make a purchase for whatever product it is on your store. This is going to have the order number, let's say customization, and they will be able to see it on their receipt. You'll be able to see it on the order as well, and that's it. Super easy, right?